So, first thing we're going to do is pop that clip open, and then you also have to pop that open with the same screw. Oh, and then the sides of the doors, and then we'll be inside the door. Be back when I do that. Okay, we got it open. We got this off. Got that open. We are using a 3/16. I think it's supposed to be classified as a hex nut or bolt, something like that, whatever. We're gonna take these two off, and then we're gonna open the clips on the side of the doors, and then we'll be officially in the door. The same bolt that was in there was also in there. Yes, but now, where's my small screwdriver? I seem to have lost it. Of course I have. Found it. Now, it's these things. This one here, one there, and it should be a screw in them. Alright, be back after that's done. Alright, screws are out. Just two Phillips head. Oh, drop that one. Two Phillips head screws. And now we just gotta pull the door card gently. Pull from the bottom, by the way. Pull from the bottom. Right, so this is what it should look like. That thing right there, that's why you don't pull it too hard, so that doesn't rip off or bend or break. It goes right here. So you have to unclip it and then move that out the way and pull. Alright, then you pull this back gently. Don't rip this. So I'm actually gonna pause the video and be careful with this because it already looks like someone has ripped it before. Then it's a bolt right here after you peel the vapor away, and then you see that line right there, it connects to that little white hole right there. Had to pull it, quite a bit of force on this one, bruised my thumb, and we gotta unbolt that, and then right here as well. There we go. Then we'll be able to pull the door handle away. Right. So we got it out. This little piece right here that's gave me all the trouble because you needed the handle to be pulled outwards, or technically open position, for this to be able to squeeze from this hole, and then that was also, this piece right here was also pressed up against the door around right here. Bruised my finger again. Yep. It's back on. Worked pretty fine. Screwed in this screw right there. Put that bolt in. Now all you gotta do is reverse everything you've done. That's how you repair a door handle. Thank you for watching.